Today I came back and followed the animals and found one that was going to die anyway when a tree fell on him. I noted the time down to the exact second and shot a paintball. It left a white mark on his chest. You can't miss it. Correlated our arrival in the past so that we meet our monster no more than 3 minutes before he was going to die anyway. We kill only animals that have no future. Those that will never mate again. Steady, fellas. Forward to the red marker. It's telling us its enemy, the meat eater, is near. The Lord of the mighty beasts, ain't he fine? Vacuum clean the Empire State Building. Oh, I do go on. It's an old kill. He'll be back this way when he's finished. Rifles at the ready. Here he is.
God, it could reach up and grab the moon.
Okay, 2 minutes when I say fire. Your bullet will strike at exactly 1 second before the tree falls, but it must be timed on the nose to the second.
No, nobody can kill that. That can't be killed. We were fools to come.
Shut up!
I never guessed. I didn't realize it would be so big.
Turn around quietly. Go back to the machine.
I can't move.
Remember, the painted target. And take aim.
It was never like this before. Always safe. I always won. Somebody get me out.
Stay on the path, Echo. Stay on the path! Oh, God, no. Fire! Fire! Get back here, Echoes! No! Get over here. Get over here! Dig them out.
What?
Dig out your bullets. We don't leave anything in the past.
What about the other shells?
We'll get them with a 90 magnet.
Why don't we use the magnet here?
Damn it!
Friends coming. How would you like me to leave you here to greet them?
Get out of here.